It's now time to set up our servers. For this movie project, we'll use 3 different servers. So let's go ahead and start provisioning some. First, let's provision a server for the front end, and we could go ahead and keep AWS selected. But before I start provisioning, I want to change the name of the server. Let's call it Movies Frontend. And then click on Start Provisioning. And that's going to start the provisioning process for the server. Now, let's add another server for the backend. For the backend, let's use Hetzner. And then rename this Movies Backend. And then provision that. Lastly, we need a server for our database. For this one, let's choose DigitalOcean to provision our server on. Call it Movies Database. And if I scroll down further, we could see that I could select between different server plans, look at the specs, select which region I want the server to be provisioned in, install monitoring, and if I expand database and language, there's some more options here. And I'm going to have this server provision and install Postgres at the same time. So I'll select PostgreSQL and then start provisioning. All right, now I have the 3 servers I'll need for my project provisioning. I'll come back in about 5 minutes when they're done. Well, it looks like all of our servers have been provisioned, and it took about 6 minutes each to provision each of the servers, and a little bit longer for the one where we installed the Postgres database.